Welcome to United by Trucks. Today we got a very special episode of Submit Your Truck OBS edition. So you guys know the OBS trucks are really hot right now, and if you don't know what an OBS is, it's a GM truck from 88 to 98, and today we're highlighting a few of them. So we got about 10 or 11 trucks that we want to show you guys. Hope you guys enjoy this episode of Submit Your Truck OBS edition.
Hi guys, I'm coming to you from Auckland, New Zealand. This is my 1993 GMC Sierra. It's a one owner truck when I bought it. I've had it now about a little over 4 years. It was brought new from, I think it was Riverside Chevrolet in Georgia.
All right guys, so I wouldn't typically interrupt another man's submission, but he just said Riverside Chevrolet in Georgia. That's actually in Rome, Georgia, or used to be in Rome, Georgia, and that's where my dad bought his very first OBS truck and the truck I learned to drive on, a 94 Z71. So that's just really cool. This guy's got a truck in New Zealand from the same dealership in Georgia. That's pretty cool. Back to it.
Little place called Rome, Georgia. It's all original. Original paint, original wheels. I put the white wall tyres on it. Paint's starting to go off a bit in a few places, but it's all pretty tidy. Front grille needs replacing, but again, unfortunately we can't buy all that stuff here. I've got to ship it all in from the US, but it's not such a big deal. All the inside is original door panels, original carpets, original rubber mats, everything's original. And great truck. Drive it every day, as I said. Under here, everything goes. The air's not that cold at the moment, I need to get that fixed, but other than that, everything else there, it's all original as it came out of the factory. That's my 1971 C10 over there. I'll do another video on that. But keep up the good work, guys. I've only just recently discovered you're United by Trucks, and love it. Subscribe to it. So keep the videos coming, guys. Take care, and all the best.
Hey guys, I love the idea of the user submissions. I love the channel. So here's mine. It's a 94 full-size Blazer. It's the last year of the two-door Blazer. After this, they called them Tahoe. And I bought this one in 2010 in Atlanta, Georgia, and chopped the top, welded in a roll cage, put a soft top in it from softtopper.com, and then for a 69 to 72 K5, because everybody wants a convertible Blazer. Then this is the OD green Raptor liner. I bought it all. It's U-Pole Raptor liner. I bought it off Amazon.com and then clear coated it with automotive clear coat. So it looks pretty good. It's got American Racing 7-inch or 7-hole bullet style wheels, Marathon waterproof seat covers, a ammo can center console. I don't know what size ammo can that is, but it's a perfect size for a center console. It's a great upgrade. It's all waterproof and all that stuff. Got some car seats to carry my girls around in. We go riding around in this thing all the time. They love it. Got aluminum diamond plate bed rails that I made with the one-piece inner panels, and then they're Raptor lined, and then there's 6.5-inch kicker speakers, wakeboard boat speakers that are waterproof. There's a soft top. It's in the bag. LED tails. Got some vinyl stickers on there. This is my real-life G.I. Joe vehicle, so I loved it. Loved G.I. Joe when I was a kid, and this is what I would have driven if I was still 10. So here it is. Again, thank y'all. I love the channel. I love this idea. Hopefully we'll see y'all out cruising. I love y'all's road trips. It's awesome. So thank y'all.
Hey guys, gonna do a little video on this 97 truck. Had some trouble with it after I bought it. axle locked up and ruined my drive shaft, and luckily it did no other body damage, but I think I got it all good now. It's got the Dakota gauges in it that I put in there, and then it's got the black interior, black and gray. I really like, which I don't think they ever came with black interior, but buddy of mine that I got it from originally, he had everything done black, so it looks real nice. It's got a Ford 9-inch axle, so it's 2 inches wider than the original, which I don't care for very much. Tires are sticking out a tad bit too much for my taste. But other than that, it's pretty clean little pickup. Got the fuel cell in the back, battery, transmission fan or cooler. Needs a deep cleaning, but I never take time to do any of the cleaning. It's got the weld. Oh, what are they again? Weld wheels. 6.2 motor with the 7/8" headers, Rhino stage 1 cam, polyuro motor mounts. Got the coils relocated there, and those headers they just barely clear, but other than that, stock intake, I'm gonna run it this year like this and see how it does at the track, and then upgrade to a Holley high ram and see what the difference is. But I got also the Holley accessory bracket. I'm not sure how well you'll be able to tell, but it's got the AC compressor on there. Need to run the lines yet and get the AC hooked up and get it going, because it's today it's warm already. Yesterday it was freezing, but and then it's got the 6L80 transmission, and Abe Neufeld did the tuning on this one. He set both of his pickups up the same as this one is, with the 6L80 and the 6.2. My plan is to see how fast it'll go NA this year, and if my wife is gonna race it, we'll see. If she likes it, we might keep it. If she doesn't, then we might sell it, because I got 2 other race trucks. I don't need a third one.
Hey Robbie, this is Clint Albert, Pleasant View, Tennessee. This is my 1990 Chevy OBS pickup truck. Bought it in June of '91 when I was 17. Been painted for literally 20 years. Got some ghost flames on the hood. Just got done with a 5.3 LS swap, 4L60 bone stock. Everything's there, just good driver. Smooth wiper cowl, I've had it for years. Bed cover, I've had it for 20 years. Narrowed rear end, 8 inches, 20 by 10s, 305 50s, 18 by 7s up front. Of course, it's got roll pan, French cut tail lights. It's got a pretty good drop. Leaf spring's been moved inboard. Custom flip kit, homemade, all that. Inside's been sanded, cleared, painted and cleared, base coat, clear coat to match the outside. Leather seat, odometer gauges, everything in it's been painted. It's probably got 200,000 miles. Drove it to high school. Really, I've had a good time owning this truck. Here's a couple other trucks I've got. Well, this one's not mine, but Tim Johnson, 6.0 swap. 85 front clip, I believe, on a 77. Got a little 84 bone stock, no rust truck. Just fixing it up. Love the show. Keep it coming, man. Thanks.
Hey guys, this is my 1995 Chevrolet Silverado that I bought brand new. Its name's Old Whitey. The reason why, because it's old and it's white. This is all original paint, all original trim. It's got rodders all the way around, 18 by 8s on the front, 18 by 9.5s on the back, Nitto tires all the way around. Mounted a spare tire in the back. Yes, name's Old Whitey. Put a roll pan on the back. Looks pretty good. It's got all the original interior in it. That's the original mileage. Replaced the motor with a new 350. The old one had 383,000 miles on it. No brainer. Put the same engine back in it. Thanks guys, I hope you like it.
G'day everyone, all the way from New Zealand. First off, I'd just like to thank the UBT guys for inviting us to send in walk-arounds of our trucks. Love the channel guys and looking forward to seeing everyone else's trucks. Yeah, this is my truck. There are many like it, but this one is mine. It's got, as you can see, it's got the first gen Cadillac front end on it. I've only owned the truck a couple of months, so I didn't do any of this, but I do intend to do a lot more. I'm guessing it's a 4.6 drop. I know it's got drop spindles in the front and a flip kit and a C-notch in the rear. The interior is pretty tidy. It could definitely do with a clean-up, but I think most people's trucks could. Yeah, it definitely do with a clean-up, but yeah, it's tidy. It's clean. It's a bog standard 350, TBI 350 with a 60E, 4L60E transmission. And yeah, it's got scratches, it's got, you know, character marks. It's got the hard lid, which I like. But yeah, plans for the truck in the future to put an LS2 in it with a 4L80E. I basically want a nice, clean, tidy street truck that isn't afraid to give you a day's work at the end of the day. I think 400 horsepower would be kind of nice. I think that'd do well. But yeah, that's my truck. And yeah, thanks for watching, and thank you very much UBT for allowing us to do this.
Welcome United by Trucks. My truck is not this truck, but it started out this way. Utility bed, battery rack, everything else, 300,000 miles. After the truck was stolen from the company, I purchased it, and I decided to do, because I don't like the Chevrolet front end, GMC front end, smooth bumper. Oh, I'm sorry, this is also my wife's project. Got a cowl hood for it, not painted yet. Converting the truck from a 2500 to a C3500 dually. Brakes and everything else in between. Got some billet on the inside. And excuse my welding of it. Notch. Support brackets. And everything else in between. This truck is going to be on air ride, so it's going to have a 4-link and a watch link, everything else in between. So watch out, Forbidden Fantasy. We'll be at your show over here really soon. Standard dually wheels in the rear. Can't afford you know, the bigger ones just yet, but will. Standard, you know, Chevrolet fiber products. Jim. Thank you for watching.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is John, and this is my 1991 GMC. It has a 94 front end conversion. It's got full interior, all original. Truck only has 68,000 miles on it. It's got a Terminator X ECU with an LS swap. We'll get into that in just a second. But I daily drive this truck every single day to work. It has roughly a 2.5 by about 5-inch drop on it. Rear mounted battery, roll pan, LED taillights. It's got a GM 9.5-inch axle with Caltrax, 4-inch aluminum drive shaft, dual 3-inch exhaust, and the best part, in my opinion anyway, is the engine. It is an LQ4 6.0 liter out of a 2008 Silverado. It has 317 heads off of an earlier 6-liter. I've got twin VS Racing 66mm turbos. It has a 220/224 cam in it, a 4L80E transmission with a Pro Yank 3400 stall. So some other things to note is I also have a 34-inch radiator I got out of a 3/4 ton truck of this year model. And I've got 05 to 07 style E-fans. Oh, I also did a Hydro Boost conversion, which is a must-have if you're a foot brake turbo guy. It makes roughly 1,000 horsepower at full power, full boost in the lower 20s. And yeah, so that is my truck. You guys can see more about it if you want on a YouTube channel is LS1 Freak with 2 E's. Thanks for watching.
All right, United by Trucks. It's your boy Shaq Diesel. This is my 1993 Silverado extended cab, Silverado 1500. I had her since 1995, so it's like 25 years now. 25 years since I was 15. I got Lamborghini 90-degree Diablo door. It goes straight up, not sideways, straight up. You also can check out my YouTube. It's Shaq Diesel, SHACKDIESEL. I took the front clip off and I took the motor out. The motor is gone. I'm going LS swap. The guy's rebuilding the motor for me now, putting the camshaft in it and all the other good sweet parts. Both doors Lambo, but my shock is broke on this side, so I don't want to lift this one up and fall on my head. So I got air ride suspension, front, back, side to side. Here's my tank. I got my chrome tank on back. Sorry for all this mess. I got quad train horn brackets. I have a total of 4 compressors. I just got one on here now. Sometimes I air up tires and I do stuff around the house with it. I got 2 tanks up under the truck. I know you said 2 minutes. I'm getting close to that 2 minutes, and it's gonna be hard for me to get up on here to show you. But I'm gonna get up under here. 2 tanks up underneath, it right here. I got 2 more 8-gallon tanks, and that's about it, man. Y'all check me out, Shaq Diesel, SHACKDIESEL.
All right, guys, really appreciate you tuning in to this episode of Submit Your Truck OBS edition. So if you're not really into OBS trucks, maybe this might make you take a second look at them or look at them a little bit harder, because they're actually really cool trucks. So 88 to 98, this is a truck that I learned to drive on. My dad had a 95 Z71. Love OBSs and appreciate you guys tuning in today. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. We're gonna keep these Submit Your Truck episodes going, so really hope you'll continue tuning in. Make sure to give us a thumbs up if you like this video and leave a comment down below. Let us know what your favorite OBS truck in this episode was. Cue the music.